everybody, this is Miss Foot Fixer, and we have a lovely ingrown toenail here. She had her whole nail removed and it grew back, but it's digging in down the side, so I'm going to try and cut it. What I want you to do is lean forward. If it goes blurry, just give me a shout. Can you see that here like that? Excellent. So what I'm going to do is just cut across first. Well done. There we go. That should make it a little bit more comfortable. Let's have a look down the side. Well done. Sorry. So what we're doing is just cleaning down the side now. It should over time feel a little bit better. There we go. That needs to all go. This side feels a bit better. Loads of debris in here. A bit there. Okay, let's see. I think that's better. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. You're doing well. Excellent. You're keeping your foot very still for me, which is great. Does that feel a little bit better?
A little bit.
Yeah. So quite sore. Is it the same soreness or is it tenderness just when we fiddle around with it? Is there still a nail digging in?
I don't think so.
Confused.
I'm not feeling for a long ride anymore. No, just a little bit.
Yeah. Let me just check if there's anything else digging in. So it only means I need to cut more out. Do you think you're gonna have some ingrown toenail? Is that where the pain is? You probably hate my guts right now, don't you? You probably hate me a lot right now.
No. Just...
You need it to be done.
Or else it gets worse.
Yeah.
It gets.
Yeah, it gets worse. Okay, think.
Should be good.
Better. You're not moving, so... Just gonna squeeze down the side. Does that side feel better? This side. Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
A little bit here.
on the top there?
Yeah.
Let me just double check. It could be that there's a cut from where the ingrown nail was. On the top here, right? I don't see anything. Is it in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the cut.
Oh,
so
okay.
that's when the nail was digging in.
Okay.
So what you need to do now, so remember why I said that in the future you might need to come in and do something to your feet? This is exactly what you need to do. Get some cotton wool here, spray it with an antiseptic, and you need to put the cotton wool underneath the nail to lift up the nail. So before it was dug in, right, you need to elevate it so that it doesn't dig in. So this is going to be a little bit uncomfortable. Obviously take it off if you feel like it's like too stuffy in there. So a little bit of cotton wool, a little bit more antiseptic. You have to spray some antiseptic, because obviously putting dirty cotton wool inside is not the best thing. Then what you do is you put it inside like this. And this will separate that. It will sting a little bit because obviously you've got a cut there. It also stops the wound from getting infected. Does that feel comfortable or is it too tight?
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah. Put something in here too. And you do that every 2 days because it's going to come out as the nail grows out. And you just put it underneath. Can you see? I'm putting it underneath. So I'll give you this tool. Then you can do it yourself. Do wash this tool because if you don't wash it, okay, like that. And I'll put a dressing on for you. That's for you, my dear.
Thank you.
I'm just putting a dressing on as a precaution because your nail, there's no like infection or anything like that. Because your nail has been cut by the toe has been cut by the original nail, digging in, it can be a little bit uncomfortable. Just lift that up for me, please. Thank you. Like that, lift up. Lift your foot up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, excellent. And just keep your foot in zone. Excellent, thank you. Just put this lovely plaster. I did very well. And I feel bad because I keep on hurting you, but it's either you leave it and then it gets really bad and then you come back from me for surgery, or we'll do it this way. So you have to do that. If you don't do it, then you're gonna have the problem again, okay?
Okay.
For sure. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.